Assuming that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Star Atlas DAO polis will go from now on. We will investigate the previous costs of Star Atlas DAO polis and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is $21.81 and polis is at present positioned #555 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Star Atlas DAO is 248,789,492 with a market cap of $54,252,498. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.2% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the polis with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Star Atlas DAO is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The polis is down to nearly 25.94% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Star Atlas DAO value expectation number cruncher. Our polis expectation number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models break down an immense range of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give a complete forecast of Star Atlas DAO. Just information your ideal time period and see the likely anticipated worth of Star Atlas DAO. Our number cruncher will produce a complete rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. Look at the market capitalization of Star Atlas DAO and other top digital currencies with our instinctive instrument. Perceive how the all-out worth of every digital money's flowing stockpile piles facing others, and gain bits of knowledge into the market elements. Select 2 cryptographic forms of money to look at their market cap and envision the outcomes. We anticipate future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations bliss conjecture by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the polis coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume and barely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Star Atlas DAO value expectation synopsis. Star Atlas DAO polis is gauged to arrive at a typical cost of $0.4871 toward the finish of 2025. The cost of one polis would reach as high as $3.96 by 2030. The negative cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO polis in 2040 is $152.91, with a likely high of $188.95. With the ongoing cost of $281, Star Atlas DAO holds its ground on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Star Atlas DAO could outperform the $252.92 mark for 2050, exhibiting possible vertical energy. Star Atlas DAO value forecast 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of polis, in 2024 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is estimated to be at around a base worth of $3.31. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.05 out of 15 with the typical exchanging worth of $3.24 in US. Star Atlas DAO value expectation 2025. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $4,742 in 2025. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.5395 with the typical cost of $0.4871 all through 2025. Polis value gauge for 2026. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.7113 in 2026. The polis cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.2419 with the typical cost of $0.7357 all through 2026. Star Atlas DAO polis value expectation 2027. Star Atlas DAO cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.05 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the polis cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.24 with the typical gauge cost of $1.09. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2028. Star Atlas DAO cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $159 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Poli's cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.84 with the typical figure cost of $1.63. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2029. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $228. The Poli's cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.71 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.35. Star Atlas DAO Poli's Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $310 in 2030. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $396 with a typical exchanging cost of $312 all through 2030. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate 2031. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $460 in 2031. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $539 with the typical exchanging cost of $476 all through 2031. Star Atlas DAO Poli's Value Forecast 2032. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $689. The Poli's cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $888 with a typical worth of $713. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Poli's, in 2033 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $987. The Poli's cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $129 with the typical exchanging cost of $1015. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 2040. Long-haul forecasts ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Enhancement and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key methodologies for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our Polish cost expectation, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $188.95, while the base value worth of a Star Atlas DAO can be around $152.91 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $163.36 approximately. Poli's value figure for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a digital money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with down-to-earth applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Star Atlas DAO cost estimate for 2050, Polis is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $252.92